Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the PSAR or the parabolic SAR indicator to your chart on Avado.com. So the first step, what we're going to do is go to the indicators tab right here, click indicator store. Now we're going to search right here and we can just search SAR, click enter. Now there's the parabolic SAR. Let's go ahead and click there and click install. Add to terminal, okay, there we go. Now we're gonna just X out of this right here in the corner. And now let's go back to our indicators tab and there we go. So we can see the parabolic SAR is right there. Now we'll click it. I personally don't change any settings, but if you'd like, you can change the settings right here. Click apply and there we go. So now we've got the parabolic SAR dots or stars as some people call them on our chart. Now, how do we use the parabolic SAR? So what it shows us is the current trend that the market is in. So for example, if the dots are below the candles, that means that we are in an uptrend and we can see this right here. And when the dots are above the candles, that means that we are in a downtrend and we can see that right here. So we just use it as a confirmation when using the range bars to show us which way the larger trend is going.